Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Happy Eid to everyone. Hope you are enjoying your holidays. Let's have a quick update on Dubai financial market. This is the daily chart of the index. Let's have a review of the index and then we will check out some potential stocks for coming week. If you have seen my previous analysis, I had mentioned this area is resistance for the index, that is between 3520 to 3525, exactly right at the same zone market hit, and now it's retracing. No, this is not change in the trend, this is just a correction phase. We can see this was the bottom, that is around 3300, and from here market is climbing up. Still the trend is very strong. It can come down to retest say around 3450 area, and then maybe it can spend some time here to see a new high. Even on weekly chart we can see it's very bullish. After a strong move to the upside right from this zone, that is 3300 area, we can see market is just moving up without any correction. Yes, so it means correction is due. We can expect some kind of pause. This candle indicates that now market is ready to take a pause or some correction is due, and then as I mentioned on daily chart we can expect some upside momentum. So this was the index. Overall DFM is very bullish. Let's check out some stocks. IMR Properties have successfully hit the target. If you have seen my previous analysis, right here I had mentioned this is resistance zone. Do not take any chances. It can come down for a retest or it can even go higher. But we do not want to take any chances, as we know rally started from this zone, that is at 5.60 area. And from here we are seeing straight upside momentum without any correction. So definitely when it hits the resistance for the first time, we should expect some kind of correction to make a new high. Overall IMR Properties is also very bullish. Just in case if you have entered right at the top, then you must be in losses. That's the reason I had mentioned right at this zone, this is a good chance to enter IMR Properties, and this is your profit area. So just in case if it is coming back for a correction, where is the first support? Well, we can see 5.9 is a good area of support. It can come down, take a bounce, and then move further. In case if this zone fails to hold IMR Properties, we can even expect it to come down lower till about 5.8. Third scenario, if it wants to hold at current levels, that is 6.00, which I don't see it's a good support. It should spend some time here to establish support and then make a upside momentum. Overall IMR Properties is very positive and we have achieved our targets. Then I have Al Ansari Financial Services. This is the daily chart. Nothing interesting as of now. It failed to make a new high. This was a good place to make a new high at 1.23. After making two bullish candles, again we are seeing selling pressure. It means buyers are not yet ready to take the price any higher as of now. Well, aggressive buying should only be planned once it crosses 1.23. Till that time, let it establish the support, or it can even come down to make a new low. For now, this should be in your stocking list. Wait and watch game. And then we have Diva. This is daily chart again. As I had mentioned previously, we can see double tops right here. It tried to cross two times, that is 2.52 area, got rejected. Also we are seeing a huge gap down opening after the dividends. Obviously price have to adjust after the dividends are called. As of now it's at the support area, that is between 2.35 to 2.38. Again, this is not ready for a buy. We want to see how it performs at the support area, and then when we see a bullish candle with aggressive buying, we can plan the trade. For now, even Diva should be in your stocking list. Wait and watch game. Do not rush. Market will give us opportunities as many stocks have distributed their dividends. So fresh buying will start and we will catch a early trend. And then I have Empower. This is the daily chart. We can see previously it made a high of 1.82 and from here it's correcting itself. Also after the adjustments of dividends, it did not make a huge adjustment. There is a small gap down and now it's establishing a support. Last candle is very negative, but the interesting part is it's very near the support area, that is between 1.65 to 1.67. In case if it is coming down, we will see for a bullish scenario and then enter the trade. Our stop loss will be small and then we can target again 1.80 area. So Empower can give us good opportunities. We have to stock the stock right at the support zone and then plan our trades. DR is also very interesting. Again, this is the daily chart. Most of the stocks that started a fresh trend I had recommended right at the bottom. I hope you have purchased it and you made profit as well. We can clearly see trend is to the upside. Our target is already achieved. Right at the resistance we can see selling pressure. For now it's at a resistance. I'm expecting a drop till about 5.00. That is a strong psychological and technical support area. Once we see a drop and then we can wait for a buying pressure. With good volumes, look for a bullish candle and then enter the trade. Most likely we should see a new high. It should cross 0.528. So even DR should be in your stocking list. Gulf Financial House is also looking very interesting. This stock is a bit slow, but fundamentally it's very strong. Also they distributed very handsome dividends. This is the daily chart. We can see a breakout of the trend line right here. Buying pressure have started say around 0.900. And from here slowly and steadily we can expect upside momentum. My next target is somewhere between 0.960 to 0.970. Overall, GFH is also starting a fresh trend, so it's always better to keep at least little quantities in our portfolios. So in case if it makes any big moves, we should not miss out on the trend. Usually I don't recommend UPP, that is Union Properties, because it's not strong fundamentally. Last week there was a positive news. We saw 15% hike and then correction started. Previously it was right at the support zone. I was stocking this one, but as I just mentioned, this stock is weaker, so I was not very confident. But after this massive move to the upside, it's taking a pause right at this zone, that is at 0.250. We want to see how it performs at the support. Previously this zone was resistance. We can see it was trying to cross, it got rejected. And also this is our support area. So we want to see how it performs as of now in this zone. A bullish momentum should confirm that buyers are still activated. We can again target the previous peak, that is 0.285. At the same time, this is a bit scary because market most of the time comes down to fill up the gaps. So any selling pressure can bring it down till about 0.245 area. So this one can be a bit tricky, but at the same time it can make big moves. It's a cheaper stocks with big volumes. So in case if you want to take a bit of risk, your stop loss should be just below the low of this candle. Let it establish support here and then plan your trades. DFM, that is Dubai Financial Market. We are on daily chart. This stock is looking very interesting and it have also achieved our targets. If you have seen my previous analysis, right at this zone I had mentioned DFM is good for a buy. It's starting a fresh trend to the upside. This is the beauty of catching the trend. Right at the bottom we have small stop losses and our targets are huge. We can make good money. Well, resistance was in this zone, that is 1.47 area. Market tried once, it got rejected. But third day we saw a huge candle breaking the resistance, and after breaking this resistance it's now taking support exactly at the same zone, meaning buyers are still activated. Those of you who have missed entries right at the bottom, they will now try to enter right at the support area because their stop losses would be very small right here just below the low of these candles, or it can be at below the low of this huge green candle, and then now slowly and steadily we can expect it to touch 1.70. Overall DFM is now bullish. And finally I have IMR Development. We are on daily chart. No doubt IMR Development is in a strong uptrend. Previously it was stuck within this range, that is between 5.55 to 5.60. Finally we saw a breakout of this range and we saw upside momentum. Last candle we can see is bearish, some selling pressure. Dividends are coming up. If it opens with a gap up, there are good chances it can continue its upside momentum. Or in case if it opens flat, we can expect it to come down a bit lower. Overall this stock is bullish. Any dip into the support area should be considered as buying opportunity, as traders and investors will grab this for upcoming dividends. So these were the stocks for Dubai Financial Market. In my next video, I will discuss Abu Dhabi stocks. Hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe for regular updates. Smash that like button to show your support. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.